हेलो गाइस, राम राम। कैसे हैं आप? सी दिस पिक्चर। दिस इज द गंगा घाट नियर हर की पौड़ी। You see the river flowing here and the bridges are shown here and people are coming and going here and there. This is गंगा घाट, उत्तराखंड, भारत. This is the very beautiful scene at the evening of Ganga. Ganga Maiya is worshipped at the evening by evening aarti, and many people here and there gathered to wish Ganga Maiya. This is not a river, this is the emotion of India. Ganga Maiya is the life of thousands and crores people of the India. The people of India called him Ma Ganga. See this. This is Ganga Ghat of Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh. See. Wow. Pilgrims of the all over India comes here and there to taken the wishes of Ma Ganga Maiya. People are taken the bath in Ganga Maiya and see this sadhu is chanting the holy song and worship the Maiya. At the evening, I think there are not crowd, but you surprised to know that there are a lot of people and many crowd of people are there. And see this bridge, over bridge, the canal of Ganga Maiya, and near Har Ki Paudi. And I about to show you Har Ki Paudi, the world famous and religious palace of the people, not only Hindus but many of the people all over the world want to see the Ganga for their curiosity, because Ganga have a top of the palace of the goddess of the Hindus. Let's see the river flowing. Ma Ganga is very respectable and worshipped goddess of India. Every and each Hindus devotee of God Ganga. When the people taken the birth, I mean the human taken the birth and taken out of the this world, I mean death, and birth. Death and birth is the main occasion of human life. On the death of people, they lose their meanings when they criminated by their ones, and they following their ash in the Ma Ganga, and it think that Ma Ganga give him the mukti from the evils of the people. This is Ma Ganga Jyoti. See Ganga Ma Jyoti. See Har Ki Pauri. This is the main mandir of Har Ki Pauri. And Brahmkund, you heard about the Brahmkund. This is the Brahmkund. This area is Brahmkund, and the main temple of Har Ki Pauri is there. Yeah, all of these, and this is called Asti Pravah Ghat, Brahmkund Har Ki Pauri. This name given by the Hindus and the people all over of the India, flown their last as remaining from crimination. They flow in the Ganga Maya and worship to the god. Hello. See, very, very, very beautiful and religious place. In this time, I see the Ganga Ghat is very clean. And last time when I came, I found there are lot of garbage, there are lot of plastic, and there are lot of other garbage are found there, and people, so many people are gathered there, and and this place is not seen like clean. Okay? Now in this time you see very, very clean place, Ganga Ghat. Yeah. And there are many bridges are built to over the canals of Ganga. There are two main canal, and followed by three canal, and because they divided the Ganga to manage the crowd, and People all over the India come to taken the bath in the Ganga. See this. I am standing on the bridge and you see the holy Ganga flown below. There are equality, no rich, no grief, no Amir. And see, let here a board, a Hindu Pravesh Nishedh Kshetar, Juta stall Nishulk. This is the place where Hindu comes and worship Ganga Maiya. This is the main place of Ma Ganga, Brahmkund, Har Ki Pauri. Because Har Ki Pauri I can't go there because they said to me, you are not allowed wearing shoes. If you wanted to go there, you remove the shoes and deposit here, and when you come back and you can take your shoes. What? I choose the option 2 and not remove the shoes, and now I taken the way from outside the Ganga. Let's see the Brahmkund Ganga Ghat. See the palace here and there, and this is the way to exit from the Har Ki Pauri. Now I went to Har Ki Pauri. I go to Har Ki Pauri on the another way, and here I remove the shoes and deposit in the stall. Then I will go to Har Ki Pauri, and when I return and take my shoes, because this is the way I went to return. So I returned in this way and not choose the Har Ki Pauri. This is the main gate of Har Ki Pauri. Har Ki Pauri, and no other than Hindu come here, and they didn't allow to come here because Hindu are not allowed here. And this is the place, Valmiki Mandir, Bhairav Baba Mandir, and the other palace here and there. Now I came the another bridge in front of Har Ki Pauri. A few minutes ago, we are stood there. This is the place I stood, and this is the Har Ki Pauri. This is Navgraha Mandir, Mahakali Mandir, and the other place are being there. The people of all over the India come to here to see the Har Ki Pauri, and many people taken the baths in at the evening time. Avoid the crowd, because in the morning and the daytime there are a lot of crowd and many gathering, and people, and they did not feel good when the crowd are on the peak, so they taken the bath at the evening time. Okay, let's see. Ganga Ghat. This is the place called Nai Ghat. Nai Ghat means the people come to all over the India and remove the hair, and in this place, and you see the many bucket like the plastic pot here and there. These pot are sold by the people to store or taken the Ganga water, holy Ganga water. People can get and get into the water in these pot and carry with them their home. And now I return, so I return and turn back my room, because it is delay. So श्री गंगा माँ मंदिर, देखिए गंगा मंदिर, श्री गंगा हर की पौड़ी, the main gate of हर की पौड़ी. And now I take the place. People from the abroad came here